Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. First let me start the workout, so I'm gonna wake up the screen, open the activities menu and then tap on the workout to start it. And then press start, of course, to start it, my bad. Okay, and once the workout is going, let's say you want to stop it. To stop the workout, you need to press the start button. It will pause it, and then the menu will pop out, and you can scroll through this menu by either using the touchscreen once you unlock it, or by using the up and down buttons. And scroll through the menu and look for two options. You have two options. You have save and discard. Save option basically stops the workout and saves your data, and discard stops the workout and discards the data, so basically doesn't save it. I'm gonna select the discard option, then press the start to confirm, and the workout will be stopped and the data discarded. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.